We can factor this numerator as the difference of two squares. We can write it as 6 minus x times 6 plus x. For this denominator, we want to find the factors of negative 48 that sum to positive 2. These factors are negative 6 and positive 8. When I look at my factors, it doesn't seem as if anything can simplify out to equal 1. But if I look at these two factors, I can see that these are opposite polynomials. The constant term 6 is positive while this one's negative, and the x term is negative here while this x term is positive. This means I'll have a factor of negative 1. We can see this if we were to just switch the order of the terms for these two. We'll have negative 6 plus x. Then I could factor a negative 1 from this factor. I'll have negative 1 times positive 6 minus x. I changed the signs of both of these terms since I factored a negative 1 out. These factors of 6 minus x simplify to 1, but I still have a negative 1 out in front, just like I thought here. Whenever you see opposite polynomial factors, you can simplify them to be negative 1. We don't need to show all this work. So we're left with this expression. Now I want to acknowledge there are a lot of different answers here. This negative sign could have been distributed to either the numerator or the denominator. If we distribute the negative 1 to the numerator, we could have gotten this expression, or switched the order of these terms and gotten this expression. These are all equal. If we distribute this negative 1 instead to the denominator, we could wind up with any of these expressions. And in fact, all of these are correct. In general, it's easiest to list the negative sign out in front of a fraction and then write your rational expressions.